Hello everyone, myself Tejaswini Sandeep Gorad from Pune. I have completed engineering in electrical from Universal College of Engineering and Research. Today's our topic is control statement in Java. So there are many statements are used in a Java language. In that conditional statement also control statement. The control statement is the to control the sequence of application statement. So there are different types of the control statement. In that the first is a conditional control statement is also known as decision making statement. Second is a loop statement and third is a jump statement is also known as unconditional control statement. So first is a conditional control statement. The conditional control statement is also known as a decision making statement. In that the decision making statement to get the decisions of particular operation. In that two types, if statement and second is a switch statement. In that the if control statement we are included in the different parts. In that if statements, also if else ladder statement, nested if statements, there are different types are used in that if statement. In that the if statement is mainly used in a relational operators. In that the less than, greater than equal to or less than equal to, there are many different relation operators are used in that if statement. In that first if statement, it is the block is executed at the one times. Next is the if else. In that the if else statement, the block is executed at the same condition is false. Next is the if else ladder statement. In that if else ladder statement, the block is executed at the different conditions, that is false, true, sorry. Next is the nested if. In that the nested if condition, they are included in that if or if else conditions. This is the types of the if statement. Next is the switch statement. Switch statement is also similar as the if and if else of the statement. In that the switch statement we are included at the multiple blocks is executed. So switch statement is the part of the conditional control statement. Next is the loop. The loop statement, loop are the mainly used to execute the operations are repeatedly. So in that the loop statement we are included in for loop, while loop or do while loop. These are the loops are included in the Java language. First is the for loop. The for loop are mainly use the conditions or increment or decrement. For loop is similar as for C and C++ also. Next is the while loop. In that the while loop is used to execute the many blocks or many statements in that while loop. So while loop is also the part of the loop control statement. Next statement is a jump statement, is also known as a unconditional statement. In that the unconditional control statements mainly two types. Jump statements are included at the break and continue. The break statements is used to break the continuous flow of statement. And second is the continuous. The continuous is also known as the unbreak statement. They are cannot break the continuous statement. Thank you.